Hi, this is Joe Patrick. I am going to show you how to install your Falling Gems Halo. The first thing you will do is center your ring number 1, that's the ring without the beads, around your light fixture. Make sure your eye hooks are facing down. And there are 4 pre-drilled holes in the ring, so just use those holes to mark your ceiling for where you're going to want to drill your holes. Then go ahead and use your power drill to create the holes in the ceiling. If you don't have a power drill, it's okay to just use a hammer and nail to create the holes. Just use kind of a thick nail. And while you're drilling, do be sure to wear some sort of protective eyewear. In this case, I was just wearing my sunglasses. After the holes are in the ceiling, go ahead and hammer the anchors into the holes in the ceiling. Once the anchors are in, screw the ring number 1 into the ceiling. Obviously using the holes that are already existing, don't make new ones with your screws. And once you are done, make sure that it is braced well onto the ceiling. Then you will take your S-hooks, which loop through the eye hook on ring number 1 to the eye hooks that are on the top of ring number 2. The first 2 are pretty easy, make them across from each other. The third one's a little more challenging because now it is wobbling. So just be a little more patient with that one. Use the needle nose pliers provided with your repair kit to hold the S-hook to get that in there. And then once the third one is done, use something to brace the rings so that they stop wobbling. In this case, I'm using my measuring tape. Just stick that between the 2 rings to brace it, and then you'll be able to put the 4th one in relatively easily. And then remove your brace, and you'll see that it is now firmly attached to your ceiling.